You use your phone to call people, but have you ever thought that the phone app itself might be seeing much more than just your calls? Your location, your photos, how you use your phone, and all of this is enabled by default without you noticing. In this video, we're going to do something very simple. We'll make the phone app do only its real job without extra permissions that serve no real purpose. And just 1 minute can change the way you use your entire phone. Open Settings, then go to Apps. Scroll down until you find Phone and tap on it. Permissions. From the 3 dots at the top, choose All Permissions. You'll be surprised how many permissions are enabled, even though the app's main function is just making calls. Follow these steps with me. Step 1. Go back to the phone app page. Scroll down until you find an option called Change System Settings. This option allows the phone app to change system settings itself. And if you ask yourself, does a calling app really need to do that? The answer is usually no. Turn this option off and keep control of your phone's settings in your hands only. Step 2. From the phone app page, go to Permissions. The logical setup here is keep contacts, call logs, and notifications enabled. Turn off location because the phone app doesn't need to know your location. Turn off photos and videos because there's no reason for it to access them. SMS depends on your usage. If you don't need it inside the phone app, turn it off. Step 3. Review call recording. Some phones store recorded calls automatically. Open the phone app itself. Tap the 3 dots at the top. Settings. Record calls. Make sure this feature is turned off first, unless you actually need it. Also, make sure there are no old recordings stored if you don't need them, and delete them regularly. Step 4. Review apps that can make calls. Default calling apps. Sometimes other apps are given permission to make calls. Settings. Apps. Default apps. Phone app. Make sure only one app is set as the default. Step 5. Supplementary services. An important hidden setting. On some phones, you'll find it under Phone app. Settings. Supplementary services. Inside it, call forwarding. Make sure call forwarding is not enabled unless you turned it on yourself. You'll find types like always forward, forward when busy, forward when unanswered, forward when unreachable. If all of them show off or disabled, then call forwarding is not active. If you see a number listed next to any option, your calls are being forwarded to that number. In the end, these settings don't make you invisible, but they reduce unnecessary data collection. And that's the real difference between normal use and conscious use. Now, your phone app is doing only one thing, making calls. Without extra permissions and without unnecessary information being recorded about you. If this video made you review settings you've left on for years, leave a like so the video can reach more people who might not be aware of this. And tell me in the comments, which setting surprised you the most? And if you're interested in smart settings that protect your privacy without making your phone harder to use, subscribe to the channel, because what's coming next is even more important.